Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn circular flow of income. Circular flow of income is a model of economy. It shows connections between different sectors of the economy. How the different sectors of the economy connected together, and it shows flows of income between different economic agents such as firms, household, government, and rest of the world. What the circular flow of income shows? It shows the flow of income, flows of goods and services, flows of factors of production. So it is a model of economy showing connections between different sectors of the economy, and the circular flow of income is the basis for the macroeconomics and national income accounting. Here we have three types of economic model. First one, two sector model, and second one, three sector model, and third one, four sector model. We can see one by one. First, let us see two sector model. Under two sector model, there are two sectors: household sector and firms. Household sector is a sole buyer of firms, and it is a sole supplier of factors of production. The household sector, it receives income from the firms and render its service to the firms, and firms, they receive the factors of production from household sector and pay the income. So this is the two sector model. Moving to the next one, three sector model. Under three sector economic model, in addition to household sector and firms, the government inclusion of government into the two sector economic model. So in three sector economic model, there are three sectors, namely household sector, firms, and government. Here the government levy taxes on both the firms and household sector, and also government is the purchaser of goods and services from the firms, and government pays the transfer payment like pension, social securities, then subsidies to the firm, household sector. So here in three sector economic model, only three sector: household sector, government, and firms. Moving to the next one, four sector model. In four sector economy, there are four sectors. In addition to households, firms, government, inclusion of external sector or rest of the world. Here external sector comprises of exports and imports. So when an economy carry exports income, it receives income, it earns income from rest of the world. When an economy exports from rest of the world, and the income flows out of the economy. So this is the four sector economic model, and four sector economy is also called as open economy. So dear students, in the first chapter we learn about macroeconomics, then different types of economic system, and circular flow of income. Students, I will send some homework. Do the homework without fail and send to me through WhatsApp. Thank you.